We are in chapter 18. Already I have started a new chapter, that is volumes and surface areas of solids. I'll repeat the formula again. Volume of the cuboid L into B into H. TSA of the cuboid, that is total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LSA, that is lateral surface area or surface area of 4 walls, formula 2HL plus B. Area of the floor or roof, formula L into B. Diagonal of the cuboid, square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Now regarding cube. Volume of cube formula A cube. TSA of the cube 6A square. LSA of the cube or surface area of 4 walls 4 into A square. Diagonal of the cube root 3 into A, where if necessary root 3 you can utilize 1.73. Now I'll be starting 18.1. Question number 1. Question: find the volume and surface area of each of the following cuboids. In your textbook diagrams are there. All the diagrams are cuboid. So draw the diagram first. Take this one as a length, this one breadth and this one height. So here L is equal to 6 cm, B 8 cm, H 10 cm. Therefore volume of the cuboid L into B into H. 6 into 8 into 10, after multiplication 480 cm cube. Unit for volume is always cube unit, meter cube or centimeter cube. And surface area, they are asking only surface area. Whenever they are asking surface area, that means TSA they are asking, total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, 2 into LB, 6 into 8 plus 8 into 10 plus 10 into 6, 48, 80, 60, addition 188 into 2, it becomes 376 centimeter square. Question number B. Diagram should be drawn. This is your length, breadth and height. Then volume of the cuboid L into B into H, 7 into 12 into 5, that is 420 centimeter cube. And surface area of the cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into 7 into 12, that is LB plus BH plus HL. Multiplication, addition, result is coming 358 centimeter square. Question number C. Length 10 millimeter is breadth and 96 millimeter is height. So volume of the cuboid L into B into H, 120 into 10 into 96, 115200 millimeter cube. Same surface area of the cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, 2 into 120 into 10 plus 10 into 96 plus 96 into 120 millimeter square. This multiplication, then addition, it is coming 13,680 into 2, 27,360 millimeter square. Question number A, B, C already taught. D, E not required. Then question number F. Question number F, length is 3.9, breadth is 1.5 and height you can take 0.7. So volume of the cuboid L into B into H, 3.9 into 1.5 into 0.7. After multiplication it is 4.095 centimeter cube. Now surface area of the cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, 2 into L 3.9 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 0.7 plus 0.7 into 3.9 centimeter square. This multiplication giving you this one, second multiplication, third multiplication, addition into 2, 19.26 centimeter square. Now question number 2, only two questions we will do, number A and B. In question number A, length, breadth, height already given, that is width means breadth only, volume missing, surface area missing. Second question, length, width is given, height is missing, volume is given, surface area is missing. So first question number A, length, breadth, height you will select, and as it is you will calculate volume and surface area and you will fill it here. So volume will be L into B into H, 24 into 18 into 5, result is this one, and surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into 24 into 18 plus 18 into 5 plus 5 into 24. After multiplication, addition, result is coming 642 into 2, 1284. These two we should fill in the blank place. Yeah, blank places. Now question number B, length is given, breadth is given, height is missing. Since volume is given 120 centimeter cube, L into B into H equal to this. L is 5 centimeter, B is 3 centimeter into height equal to this. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter cube cut off. Then number you can send that side. H is equal to 8 centimeter. This H, it was blank in the fill in the blanks, so you should fill it. Then surface area you have to calculate 2 into LB plus BH plus HL results 158 centimeters square. So all the results will be filled in their blank places. Question number 2, only A and B we need, others don't need. With this, I'm concluding today. Bye.